If you write software for a living, you've likely lost hours to the tedious geometry of presentation design. You know the loop: dragging text boxes, nudging images by 3 pixels, and fighting the software to align basic shapes. It is a manual chore. You have to drop your IDE, step outside your development workflow, and wrestle a graphical interface. But what if you stopped treating slide decks as design files and started treating them strictly as visual code? This diagram illustrates OpenSlide, an AI-native framework. You describe your presentation in plain English, while an autonomous coding agent writes the underlying React components. The runtime then envelops that code, automatically managing the canvas size, element scaling, and hot reloading. By abstracting the presentation runtime away, the framework frees up the AI to focus entirely on generating the actual content. You skip the manual design phase and go straight to a streamlined engineering pipeline. The process starts directly in your terminal or editor. You trigger the workflow with a single prompt, like /create slide. The agent takes over the scaffolding. It scopes out your topic, defines the visual aesthetic, and sets the page count, then consults internal layout rules to draft the structure. The framework's primary constraint locks your React output, forcing every slide to render inside a strict 1920 by 1080 pixel bounding box. That rigid boundary is a feature. Fixing the resolution gives the AI a perfectly deterministic environment, snapping everything to a predictable grid. When you need visual assets, a built-in manager and native SVGL integration let you instantly inject brand logos. You never have to tab over to a browser to hunt for an SVG file. Enforcing these strict layout boundaries and native integrations keeps the framework from fragmenting. It creates the precise conditions an AI needs to actually be competent at design. Of course, a drafted presentation is rarely finished on the first try. You have to iterate. That raises a practical problem. How do you adjust AI-generated UI without manually digging through the React source code to fix a single margin? The solution is an in-browser inspector that acts as a closed, automated feedback loop between you and the machine. A cursor clicks an element in the dev server. You leave a plain text comment, generating a data packet. The framework routes it backward, injecting a marker into the React file. Running apply comments tells the agent to correct the code and scrub the tags away. This asynchronous loop gives you total pixel-perfect control over the final visual output, while keeping you completely isolated from the manual syntax. This split view represents the transition from the iteration loop to the final stage presentation. The framework delivers a professional present mode, complete with keyboard navigation, next slide previews, speaker notes, and a built-in timer. When it's time to deploy, a single command compiles the entire project into a static HTML site or a print-ready PDF. That plain static build requires 0 servers to host. You can push it to Vercel or Cloudflare with absolute freedom from proprietary platform lock-in. Slide decks have successfully evolved from isolated, standalone design chores into automated build targets living directly alongside the rest of your code. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for weekly tool reviews to keep your workflow sharp. Next time, we're doing a full technical breakdown on everything Claude Code. When you treat presentations as executable code, you stop wrestling with pixels. You spend your time engineering the ideas themselves, moving toward a workflow where presentations are compiled, not designed.